Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to export using Davince Resolve. Okay, so it's actually simple. If you're not blind, then you should know it by now. The thing that you need, but there's something that you need to know. Okay, sometimes if you export videos, it might export even like the blank parts of the video, which isn't even part of the video anymore. And what you can do is use I and O on your keyboard to choose which parts only you want to render. So here I clicked O on that part. I pressed O on that part. So as you can see, the rest is darkened because only the light part will be exported. Alright, so now what we need to do is easy. Click on the quick export here on the top right. Click on the quick export here on the top right corner of the screen and you'll find all of these pre-made presets. And now let's just choose which one. Like this one, H.264. And now let's just name the file and save. I'm gonna choose downloads here. And it should take a while, but it will export your video. And here I have now the video. If I click on it, it plays. Even the subtitles are there. That is how you export your video on Davince Resolve. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.